Everyone, today I'm gonna show you my studio and my program. This is music and digital media arts program. I'm from Japan. I'm a first year now and a student at SLC in Kingston. This is our main lab, main room of our lab. There are so many Mac computers. There are so many precious equipment. Here is the Studio 1, which has acoustic piano and drum. And this room is a main recording room. We direct to the people in the when recording. This program offers you a lot of experience, variety of experience, because we'll cover from visual image like video editing, photos, to music. We have, of course, music theory classes and keyboarding class in the first semester and recording class all through the year. I'm so looking forward to taking that installation art classes because we can use anything that we want and that we learned so far. You can use great recording systems, drums, piano instruments, and Mac computers and software in them. This environment is so comfortable and inspiring for me. It's like family. We feel connected to each other. I'm so grateful to meet them.